Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, all Nigerians. My name is Adewale Okiki. My name is Adewale Yetunde Adedeji, the mother of the girl you people have been broadcasting here and there, a 5-year-old girl. Please, Nigerians, what is your problem about this my beautiful girl doing birthday? Is it a crime for a mother just to show her baby the love she has for her? Can't you just meet to the demand of your baby? You people broadcasting rubbish and nonsense. I know Nigerians are frustrated. If you want to pass the aggression of your frustrated, go to Buhari and other leaders. Not come to me. Why are you coming to me? Some people are telling me 20 years old, giving birth to 5 years old. Well, all is well. Any age you call me, I admit it. I admit any age you come to me. And one idiot said, the baby is even ugly. That is hypocrite. If you don't like the makeup, it's fine you don't like it. I don't do the makeup for you to like it. Which baby is ugly? Okay, please.
My name is Okiki Adewale Uche. I am 5 years old. I do what I like. I like what I do. Bye-bye.
As in, ṣé èèyàn ṣé ẹ get me? Èèyàn lè ṣe nǹkan tó wù fún ọmọ ẹ̀. Kí ni problem yín? Ẹ ń cast nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ cast. Did you know how many calls? Did you know how many messages I've been collecting regarding this thing? Even though I'm on sick bed, I can't even imagine seeing everything. Don't you know that? Did you know how many people that call me that they need my baby face? You are giving her the fame you people don't even think she's supposed to have. Telling us sort of rubbish. Rubbish in the gutter and now. Rubbish in the and you only see a cotton from where? I see a cotton from my minicon, and you never me beanie. And joking about me build album with butter. Here young woman, you 5 years old. Can you just see the baby? Can you go my she look like a dwarf? Does that make sense? Hello, when to sorrow, yellow woman. Hello, woman, she marry. You don't want no man find online to talk about woman. They look tattered, they look untidy. Nigerian people, I know you are frustrated. Emma pass aggression, yes, sorry, it doesn't make any sense. It makes sense. I can do what I like for my baby, in as much she like it. And people telling me, woman rights or somebody are coming for me. Who does that? So if I come out to have a birthday 4 years, 3 years, a week to a birthday or a week after a birthday, oh God, the hospital. Time here, she woman rights one by me some hospital. To help my baby on your bata. I must carry my baby girigiri. I must carry my baby to hospital. If by here no the woman rights by me some hospital. I won't come so compare what time she make up we to expand the sorry school. Do you know the school she is attending? Yemi Ogunbiyi Anglican School, the topmost school in Shagamu. The topmost school in Shagamu, Yemi Ogunbiyi. My baby is living fine. We are living fine. And you broadcast got to broadcast. You are just giving her fame. And Jackie Orukwe come and ro Okikiola Orukwe ro ni. I know some people. Toba pe won joko pe nkan to se. Today mo sha ti wo online. Tí mo ti rí nkan to se be de ọmọ 4 years. Òun náà ti lọ make up from we yen. Ọmọ 4 years. Ó ti lọ make up fún. Just like how èyàn lè rí. I don't even care what people say. Shegbo, nkan temi fẹ́ ni happiness of mommy. We are living good. We are living fine. We are happy family. You call me 20 years old, I'm fine by it. But you people don't know something. Omo 10 sorry, I'm 5 years. She is my second born. Only egbon 8 years. Ogun 5 years. Abuwe 2 years. Well, it's true. Mo tètè bímọ. But inú mi dùn pé mo tètè bímọ. Torí ọmọ yẹn àwọn 50 years old women are still searching for it. Àwọn míì fi owó ń wá ọmọ yẹn, but èmi rí obìnrin alálùbáríkà mẹ́ta lọ́lọ́run dá fún mi. Mo dẹ̀ ń tọ́ wọn bó ṣe wù mí. Ẹ tọ́ ọmọ yín bó ṣe wù yín, kémi náà tọ́ ọmọ mi bó ṣe wù mí. Gbogbo àwọn hijab sister tó ń rape yẹn, okay, dressing ló fi ń rape èèyàn. Can you just see your black mentality? Ṣé dressing ló fi ń rape èèyàn? Google it online, seeing 3 years, 2 years baby, don't full makeup. Some people are even saying bikini inside. I'm using bikini to give a photo shoot inside. What is your own problem? Gogo kò yé mi. Ṣé torí mi lọ ṣe mi fi bikini yẹn lọ ṣe photo shoot fún ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ beach ni àbí torí inú ilé ni mo ti ṣe. Èwo ló ń dùn yín gangan nú ẹ̀? Can you people just tell me? Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Ẹ mọ̀ pé ń fọmọ yìí ní fẹ́ẹ̀mù ni. Ṣé mo yẹ àwọn èèyàn tó ti pè mí nípa ọmọ yìí ni? Well, maybe nǹkan tó sọ pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. 5 years old birthday. You people made it a memorable thing that I will never forget in my entire life. And so makeup. You people, you are very confusing people. Some people are saying makeup. Some people are saying I'm supposed to use the bikini beside the beach. What is your problem exactly? You are all talking in the rubbish. You are talking in the nonsense. You are talking in the thing that did not have sense. And more you can dress it up. Then you know about we need to get attention. I know some people need attention. You just have to pick up one topic for people to notice that you are here. The Bible with like okay, I need to come in. Can we your mom all over the country? People will know you. Stop passing aggression to me. I'm just a lovely mother doing what is good for my baby. Any problem with you? In context, it makes sense. Like some people are saying, the mother won't talk because they know what they did is very wrong. I never regret what I did for my baby. But during that time, I'm not feeling okay. I'm not feeling good. I'm on sick bed. I just have to force myself today just to do what I did now. My baby is doing fine. My husband is doing fine. We're all doing fine. You said I'm 20 years. Yes, I admit it's none of your business. I want me go to help pay. Yes, to kick it pay. Nobody call or car. One more time, she no gutter go on the data. I want stupid girl being too or can you come? Oh woman, oh warning. The guy is even ugly. Ewo labosi, being too killer bossy. What on batura rijoruko? Oh what's online? Oh I envy your mommy. People should not talk out of jealousy. This guy is doing fine. My Okiki is doing fine. My baby is doing fine. Doing fine and okay. You are giving her the attention she needs. You guys don't know you are giving her the attention you need. You don't know how many people have been calling me they need my baby face. They don't want to talk of the town. People have been calling me they need her face. CNN igbe, Instablog igbe, today not igbe. I want to be celebrity. Yetunde Bakare. You know, be telling me rubbish. Oh, my age here, don't be more. You don't even know what motherhood is all about. You are telling me rubbish. I'm a mother of 3 young girls. And the 3 young girls are doing better. My first one is 8 years. My second one is 5 years. And the last one of them is 2 years. They are doing very good. And they are attending the best school you never think they will go. Kí ni problem with Kí ni problem with ẹ kàn sọ rubbish kiri. Even though àwọn èèyàn tí mi ò expect pé wọ́n lè support me, God, they are even supporting me. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi Wúrà Ọlá, thank you for the support you have been giving me. Ìgbà táwọn èèyàn lọ sí Instagram page mi tó lọ sọ rubbish síbẹ̀. I'm on sick bed. Òun ló lọ síbẹ̀ tó lọ ń blast àwọn èèyàn. Pé kí ni problem wọn tó lẹ́pọ̀ tó wá sí Instagram page mi wọ́n lọ sọ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan. Damaris, everything Damaris, Dami, I really appreciate you too. Ó lọ sí Facebook, ó lọ ń bá everybody tó sọ rubbish, ó reply wọn, even though àwọn tí mo expect pé wọ́n máa stand. But I thank every one of you. But you know what? We are doing good. Ẹ wá mọ nǹkan tó funny jù. Tó bá the next year, if my baby still want that heavy makeup, I'm still going to double it for her. Doing this, you are just giving us fame. I want to exist rárá. And jẹ́ kó máa rí pé I exist. Money. I do not have anything to do with you guys. You people are just stupid, dumb ass people. Creating attention you're supposed not to create. I wish you could see how many messages on my phone. People that wish to see my baby face to face. People that want to endorse her. Pay a little girl to only trend Dubai. Germany, USA. Many calls. Can you just know what you are doing? You are creating what you're supposed not to create. Momo, but you people are doing this out of frustration. Go to Aso Rock. Go to where you know you can see Buhari. Go and pass your aggression there. Don't pass it to where this lovely family are enjoying themselves. Mo ko te ba wa opportunity láti ṣe ele fún ọmọ yín. Ẹ máa ṣe oni mo ti rí photo shoot ọmọ kan ọmọ 4 years. Tó ti ṣe makeup fóun náà. Nǹkan tẹ́yìn tarnish yẹn, èèyàn kan ti ṣe fọ́ọ̀mù ẹ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí. Mo ko no fẹ́ kó go viral ni. Instablog gbé, CNN gbé, many sites gbé. Nǹkan tó funny jù, photo yìí ìgbà tí mo post ẹ̀, àwọn tó ń repost ẹ̀ padà cute baby kíníkan kíníkan. Ìgbà tó ti wá rí pé àwọn èèyàn ń gbé pé kò dáa, àwọn ènìyàn náà tún wá ń padà lọ repost ẹ̀. Kí ló ń ṣe yín? Ẹ mọ̀ pé poverty ń gbà mí, poverty máa ń jẹ́ kẹ́ réyàn kó máa do well, kẹ́ máa sọ pé wọ́n ń waste owó. Poverty na bastard. Ẹ yé ṣe bíi pé wọ́n fowó tọ́ yín. If my baby wants more, I will do more for her. Tí bá ṣe bí mo ẹ múra fún yẹn doesn't mean pé ó dàgbà ó di olóṣó. Most of ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ gan kọ́ lọ wà ọmọ yín. Bad legacy tẹ́ ń lè lẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ yín. Hijab sister wọ́n ń rèpù ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ understand? Ẹ̀yin black people ẹ change mentality yín. Ẹ go online. Kẹwàá àwọn baby tó ń make up fún. Ẹ yé ṣe bí ọmọ àfìṣẹ́ tọ́. Ẹ hùwà bí ẹni tí ó tì. Ẹ ti wà like èèyàn kan fi owó tọ́. Black people, black mentality. You people to change your thinking. Your thinking faculty is very low. Change how you think. Nigerian people, change how you think. Some people are saying, tell me one celebrity that dress her baby up like this. Did you know how many calls and messages me and my husband have been receiving from outside? From Germany, from US, from UK to be precise. Change faculty in Nigeria. Change faculty. Mo desire láti má sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé I just want to leave you people. Can I show craziness in online because I'm not feeling right. But I just have to say this. I'm on sick bed like 3 days ago now. But today I just have to gather strength and tell you what you people supposed to know. Change your thinking faculty. In Nigeria, ìrònú yín tó lò òun ló ń jẹ́ ká máa wà lójú kan ṣoṣo. Ẹ sọ pé èèyàn kan fi bikini, kí ló kàn yín bẹ́ẹ̀? Ẹ tọ́mọ yín bó ṣe wù yín, kí n tọ́mọ mi bó ṣe wù mí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Frustration kill you. Ẹ má worry. Ẹ sì máa ríran wò. Kí lẹ rí tẹ́tí fọ́, ẹ máa fọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kára mi yá dáadáa, ẹ máa fọ́. Ẹ wò poverty na bastard. Ẹ gbàdúrà kọ́ lóun yọ poverty kúrò nínú ayé yín. Poverty ló máa rí yín téèyàn máa múra fọ́ọ̀mù ẹ̀ bákan tẹ́ máa ló ń waste owó. Poverty ni. So I wish you people good luck. You can say it more over and over and over again. You calling me 20 years old, I don't care. You call me 15 years old, I don't care. Ìpàkọ́ gbọ́ṣùtì, orí ẹlẹ́gàn ló dàrú. Bye bye. And to all Okiki lovers, to all Okiki fans that have been messaging me, giving me calls, ginger me, thank you so much. To the people that wanted to see Okiki face to face, don't worry, you all will see her. But you know what? I love you and Okiki love you. We love you so much. All the fans of Okiki, I love you and may God bless you for me. Okiki love you too. Okiki, Say bye-bye and I love you people.
Bye-bye and I love you people.
So, till next time. See ya, catch ya later.